If this video gets 500 likes, I will go out of my way to get him some paint matched side skirts. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are in the city of Sawtell. We're about to go grab some soba noodles. I've never had it, but apparently you can eat them cold. Very nice weather today out here in LA. This boba spot is so fire. Holy shit, I love that spot. Guys, check this out. I got one of my dream shoes. They are the Nike SB Jordans. They came in purple, and I use acetone and turn them into the Chicago colorway. So hyped. But yeah, we're out here grabbing some lunch and picking up a car part. Today's the day. We finally pick up the side skirts for my dad's car, and such a steal. I can't wait to get them. I think they'll be cool. So these are the famous cold noodles you were telling me about, huh? I guess we dip it into this, which is also cold.
You might want to record that too.
Oh, this is frozen. They didn't give us utensils, so I'm just gonna see what's up with this.
Yeah, sorry about that. No, I can't take you anywhere.
It was good though.
Ooh la la.
This actually looks so sad. Anything else we can get for you?
It does look sad.
This shit looks like roadkill.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. I could do that. Arnold wanted to take us here because he was like, you know, it's summer. Thought we could get lunch somewhere, and I really thought he was gonna take us to like an ice cream parlor or something. This is what, Japanese? Itadakimasu. Oh, good. Yo, no, you're right. Ice cream.
Oh, your noodle's touching the table.
You touched my noodle. Alright guys, we finished eating and we finally got the car part. We picked up some Saibon carbon fiber side skirts for my dad. Let's go.
Hey.
What do you think? Let's go.
Oh shit. Not for your car, right?
No, it's for my dad. Saibon carbon fiber side skirts.
Sick.
Little bit damaged, but we're gonna paint match it anyway, so dude, hell of a steal. Nah bro, look at this.
Oh my good. Boba hunters.
No, the fucking big ass crater.
It's funny that they put a sticker on to cover the big ass crater right here, but I don't know if the sticker's any better than it.
It was so cheap. You know these side skirts for sure go for like 900 bucks, brand new. And it's not even that bad. Like if you wanted to redo the carbon, because that's possible nowadays, you can easily do it. It was so cheap.
Dad? Dad?
Father! Shit, my dad can't be here.
You got your,
No,
you got your extensions.
He can't know about the surprise yet. Guess how much I got it for?
300.
125 bucks.
What?
That's what I'm saying, and it's not even bad, bro.
What?
Like, it's literally just that and scratches. You can make this brand new carbon if you wanted to. When she opened up the trunk, she had moving blankets, right? She undid it. I saw only one side skirt, and I was like, yo, it better not just be one for how cheap this is. She's like, no, the other one's underneath. Think about it, like 125 bucks, I could spend like another 200 on paint, and my dad has brand new side skirts for still half the price of what side skirts go for.
This is it, dude. You gotta keep it on, too.
No, fuck that. Like this one is, yeah, it's dinged up from the bottom, but like carbon's still pretty good. This is not that great, but all of this is just like clear coat damage, you know? So yeah, this is what I needed to pick up today for my dad.
What the fuck?
Boba hunters. You think I did good for my dad?
Yeah. For $100?
The deals, bro, the deals. Alright, now that we got these, set up an appointment for paint, save that for another day. Let's go get some boba. Did you scratch your grip? All right guys, that's all I could do. Skating's so hard. I haven't done it in like 2 years, but huge thank you to Randy and Eliminate for sending me this board. I try to make the best out of it, and this board is amazing. I just need a little more practice. Hope you guys enjoy that. Let's get back to modifying my dad's car. All right guys, the day is finally here. The side skirts are fully paint matched. Let's see how they look on my dad's car. Got them back from paint and damn, they look so good. Just a little bit dirty because I've been hiding it in my room. I got a couple little scratches, but that's not gonna be visible anyways when it's on the car. I cannot wait to see it on his car, so let's jack it up. It's about like 107 degrees, so I'm trying to beat the clock over here before I pass out. First things first, I don't know if you guys know, if you've never installed side skirt extensions or splitters or whatever these are called, you do need to remove the mud guard. There's one right there, and I think we removed the front ones a while ago. They were over here, and that's pretty much it. And then we'll just try to use these pre-existing holes and just drill right into his side skirt. All right guys, after battling it out for the last 15 minutes, finally got it on. And it's really, really secure. Woo-hoo-hoo. Side skirts on, paint match. They're not Nia side skirts, but it's okay. It still has a little fin. Super sturdy. Like my dad or my mom could hit their Achilles on this getting out of the car and it won't budge. It's a little difference, but definitely like it. Definitely fills out the side a little bit more. We need to do something about the rear though. Gotta make the rear pretty too to match with it. From all angles, I think it looks pretty clean. I personally haven't seen a paint match ultrasonic blue Cybon side skirt. I hope he likes it. It's like very subtle, but I don't know, we'll see. Now it's time to do the other side. It's gonna be fun. This is actually his early birthday present. Well, one part of it at least. I think he's gonna like it. All right guys, I finally finished the other side. Damn, I feel like I did this side way better, but oh, it looks so good, Dad. You gotta slam your car. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my dad's car to the wash and then show him, because it's getting a little bit cooler out, still really hot, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't want to go outside. But yeah, next up, maybe I could do something to his rear. I have something in mind, but that's gonna be a lot more work. We'll see. So I'm waiting in line for the car wash. Look at this Lexus. Bougie. That's kind of sick though. My mom would love that. Check this out. This is so crazy to see. You open up the door and it's like, it sticks out so much. I have a feeling my dad's gonna legit step on it. So hopefully they get used to it, because this thing sticks out like crazy. It is fully washed, looks a lot better. Woo. You wanna see your early birthday present?
What?
Free complimentary car wash too.
Oh man.
Look at you, where are you going? Why you look so good?
Yay.
What do you mean what?
See anything different?
You don't see it?
No.
What did you tell me you wanted in the last video?
Oh, the side kit? Oh man. Wow.
Look at the other side. I didn't only just get you one side.
What about in the back?
Oh my god. I knew you were gonna say something about it. But the only thing is, look, it sticks out a lot, so I'm pretty sure you and mom might like hit your foot on it, so I guess just watch out. But it's on there, it's sturdy. It's on there.
That's no problem.
Well, look at it from far away and we'll see how it looks. A little bit better?
Do you take picture before and after?
No. But see, now you look from this angle, then like your butt has nothing there. Like it needs something. Like it?
Yeah, it's good. But now I need the back.
Dad.
That's for the next birthday. Is it?
Now you're gonna get everybody wanting to race you.
No.
Well, I hope you like it. Happy early birthday. That's part 1 of your birthday present. And no, the second part is not the rear diffuser. No, something better. But I'll see if I can make it happen.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Did you check with your mom?
No. She knew about it.
She knew about it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right, well, I hope you enjoy. Have fun. Car wash and you get to drive it out and go eat. He better like it. I installed it in 107-degree weather.
How are you? I có nói ơn anh Jason có nói thank you không?
Oh yeah, Dad.
No,
Okay.
not complete yet.
Not complete? Not complete, so I don't get a kiss? Okay, so I guess if I complete his car, he's gonna give me a kiss on the cheek.
Oh vậy hả?
Complete yet.
You see it? On the side?
Wow. I use that and step on.
No, don't step on it.
And then long I have to step on. Very cool. Thank you, babe. I love you.
It's for Dad, not for you. All right, have fun on your date, kids. Bye. And there you guys have it. Long awaited. We did my dad's side skirts and he actually really liked it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And I hope you've been enjoying the videos. I'm pretty bummed that he was like, what about the rear end? You know, maybe we got some things cooking, Dad. You never know. But I do want to give him a pretty cool rear end if I get the chance. Hopefully something happens. That's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.